Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach class 6 subject English, subject A Pact with the Sun, and the topic is what happened to the reptiles. This is part 3. This is part 3 of this chapter, and this is the last part of this chapter. So today I will finish this chapter, and we have studied, we have seen many things of this chapter in previous two parts. So let us start from where we left last time. So it is given in the next paragraph. A few weeks passed and the animals of the forest looked tired and fed up. The rats, now that there were no snakes to eat them, the rats had taken over the forest. And they were having a wonderful time. They were everywhere, on the trees, in the grass, in the bushes, on the ground. They ate up the eggs of the lizards and crocodiles. There would be no babies that year. Makara's own nest of eggs had been chewed up. In this paragraph, it is given that when Makara sent out the groups of animals one by one from the forest, there happened strange things in the forest. And let us see what were the strange things that were happening at that time in the forest of Pambupatti. A few weeks passed. After sending out of the forest to the snakes, a few weeks passed away. सांपों को जो है जंगल से भेजने के बाद कुछ हफ्ते गुजर गए. एंड द एनिमल्स ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट लुक टायर्ड एंड फेड अप. एंड द एनिमल्स एंड अदर एनिमल्स ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, they looked up very tired and fed up. Fed up is also mean tired. They also tired and fed up. Fed up ऊब जाना कह सकते हैं. They were tired and they were also fed up. They also lost their temper. A few weeks passed and the animals of the forest looked tired and fed up. The rats, it is given in capital. Now the writer tells us the rats. What is the reason? The reason was that the rats. Now that there were no snakes to eat them. Now there was not a single snake that could eat the rats. That's why there were rats in the forest. Anyone could find the rats everywhere in the forest. The rats had taken over the forest. The rats had taken over the forest. They were everywhere in the forest. They had taken up the forest. They have taken the control of the forest. And they were having a wonderful time because there were not snakes to eat them up. That's why they were having good time for themselves. Having a wonderful time, they were everywhere, on the trees, in the grass, in the bushes, on the ground. They were everywhere. The rats were everywhere. They were in the ground, they were in the grass, they were in the trees, they were on the ground too. So the rats were everywhere. They ate up the eggs of the lizards and crocodiles. They ate up the eggs of the lizards and crocodiles because there were not snakes to eat the rats. That's why the rats had got the chance to eat here you can say eggs of the lizards and crocodiles. Means they destroyed the eggs of lizards and crocodiles. There would be no babies that year. There would be no babies that year. There was not a single baby. There was not any baby that year because the eggs of the lizards and crocodiles were destroyed by the rats. चूहों ने जो क्या है, उन्होंने क्या किया, जो लिजर्ड्स और क्रोकोडाइल्स के अंडे थे उनको नष्ट कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से उस साल कोई बच्चा नहीं पैदा हुआ. That year, Makara's own nest of eggs had been chewed up. Makara's own nest of eggs had been chewed up, has been destroyed. उसको chew up कर दिया गया, दांतों से काट करके खराब कर दिया गया. It means Makara's own eggs were destroyed by the rats. Rats destroyed the eggs of Makara too. Now see the next one. Then Makara had a great idea. He called a meeting of the crocodiles and said, "Wouldn't it be wonderful if we, the crocodiles, could have the whole jungle for ourselves? No one but us. These lizards, now just look at them. They have the strangest habits and some of them even change color. How can we trust someone who is green one minute, red the next? Let's get rid of them." Now in this paragraph, the writer tells us that then Makara had a great idea. Then Makara had got an other idea. Makara के दिमाग में एक और ख्याल आ गया. And what was that idea? He called a meeting of the crocodiles and said, he called a meeting of crocodiles and he said to the crocodiles, "Wouldn't it be wonderful if we, the crocodiles, could have the whole jungle for ourselves? Would it not be wonderful? Would it not be good if we, only the crocodiles, could have the control of whole jungle?" क्या ये बेहतर नहीं होगा कि सिर्फ हम crocodiles ही पूरे जंगल का कंट्रोल करें? Crocodiles could have the whole jungle for ourselves. Means it would be better if only crocodiles have the control of whole jungle. No one but us. Here shouldn't be anybody else except us. यहाँ हमारे सिवा कोई दूसरा न हो. No one but us. Here we should be only here in this forest, and except us, here shouldn't be anybody else. These lizards now see these lizards. अब इन जो है lizards को देखो. Just look at them. You just look at them. You see them. You see the lizards. इन lizards को देखो. They have the strangest habits. They have strangest habits. Their habits are strange. उनकी आदतें अजीब व गरीब हैं, बहुत अजीब हैं. And some of them even change color. And some of the lizards change their color too. Some of the lizards also change their color. That's why their habits are strange. How can we trust someone who is green one minute, red the next? How could we believe one who is going to change his color, every minute? So how can we trust? Trust, you can say believe. How can we believe someone who is green one minute, and the red next minute? We can't believe these kinds of animals, these kinds of things, because like their color, they can also change their behavior. Red the next. Let's get rid of them. Get rid of, छुटकारा पाना किसी चीज से. So let's get rid of them. We should try to get rid of the lizards. हमें जो है इनसे छुटकारा पा लेना चाहिए. हमें जो है lizard से छुटकारा पा लेना चाहिए. We should send them away of the forest. By now, next one. By now, the crocodiles were really scared of Makara, so they clapped and cheered. Makara was pleased. The lizards left the forest, some with their babies on their backs. By now, by that day, उस वक्त तक, उस समय तक, the crocodile were really scared, you can say frightened of Makara. The crocodiles were really afraid, frightened of Makara. उस वक्त तक crocodile सब क्या है, Makara से बहुत डर गए थे. There was not a single crocodile who could stand against Makara. So they clapped and cheered. That was the reason that they clapped and cheered. The crocodiles clapped and they also cheered. Means they make fun. They made fun at that time. They enjoyed that moment. Although they didn't want to do that. Makara was pleased. Makara was happy at that time because all crocodiles agreed him. The lizards left the forest and the lizard also left the forest. Some with their babies on their backs. Some lizards have babies and they put their babies on their backs and they went out of the forest. कुछ lizards के बच्चे भी थे, उन्होंने अपने बच्चों को अपनी पीठों पर लादा और जंगल से चले गए. Now see the next. But now, when life should have been wonderful for the crocodiles of Pambupatti, all kinds of awful things began to happen. To begin with, the rats grew bolder by the day. They became so fearless that they jumped and turned somersaults on the crocodiles' backs, and there were too many frogs. They seemed to be growing larger, and there was no one to eat them but the crocodiles. These huge frogs began to eat the baby crocodiles and the insects. Now that the lizards were gone, there were millions of them growing bigger and nastier by the day. So, in this paragraph, it is said that, but now, when life should have been wonderful for the crocodiles of Pambupatti, now the life of crocodiles should have been good, should have been wonderful for the crocodiles of Pambupatti. अब जो है पाम्बुपट्टी के जो क्रोकोडाइल्स थे उनकी ज़िंदगी तो और अच्छी होनी चाहिए थी, बिकॉज देयर वाज नॉट एनी अदर एनिमल एक्सेप्ट दोज क्रोकोडाइल्स, क्योंकि उन क्रोकोडाइल्स के अलावा कोई दूसरा एनिमल नहीं था. बट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ awful थिंग्स began to happen. बट ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ awful यू कैन से वेरी बैड, ख़राब, बहुत ख़राब चीज़ें. All kinds of awful things began to happen, but all kinds of bad things started to happen. लेकिन बहुत सी जो है ख़राब चीज़ें होना वहाँ शुरू हो गई थी. To begin with, now the writer is going to begin with. He is going to start with. He is going to tell first of all, he is going to tell us the rats grew bolder by the day. The rats grew bolder by the day. Because there was not any other animal except crocodiles, that's why they grew bolder and bolder. वो बोल्डर होते चले गए रेड्स, क्योंकि अब कोई दूसरा जानवर नहीं था. They became so fearless that they jumped and turned somersaults on the crocodile's back. They became so fearless, means they became very fearless. They were fearless now. There was not any kind of fear for them. That's why that they jumped and turned somersaults on the crocodile's back. That they turned and somersault means they play. Somersaults उछल कूद करना, कलाबाजियाँ करना. So and turned somersaults on the crocodile's back. They play somersaults on the back of the crocodiles. वो क्रोकोडाइल की पीठों पर, उनके जो है बैक्स पर कलाबाजियाँ दिखाते, कलाबाजियाँ करते, because there was not any one to stop them. And there were too many frogs. There were not only the rats, but there were also too many frogs who made the disturbance for the crocodiles. They seemed to be growing larger, and the frogs also seemed to be growing larger and larger day by day. दिन ब दिन वो भी बढ़ते हुए लग रहे थे, वो उनकी भी संख्या बढ़ रही थी. They were also increasing in number, and there was no one to eat them out but the crocodiles. And there was no one to eat them except the crocodiles, and crocodiles were not able to eat them up because the snakes were out of the forest. That's why frogs and rats have their own control in the forest. But the crocodiles, these huge frogs began to eat the baby crocodiles, and these big frogs, the frogs were very big, very huge, and these huge frogs began to eat the babies of crocodiles. They started to eat the babies of the crocodiles. बड़े फ्रॉग थे, बहुत बड़े फ्रॉग थे, और वो क्या कर रहे थे, क्रोकोडाइल्स की बेबीज़ को ही खाना शुरू उन्होंने कर दिया। एंड द इंसेक्ट्स there were a lot of insects in the forest because lizard was sent out of the forest. There was not anybody who could eat them up. Now that the lizards were gone, there were millions of them. Now the lizards were gone, and because of that there were millions of the insects in the forest. क्योंकि लिजर्ड्स अब फॉरेस्ट से चली गई थी, उस जंगल से चली गई थी, जिसकी वजह से वहाँ पर मिलियंस ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स थे। of them growing bigger and nastier by the day, growing bigger, they were growing bigger, they were growing more and more, वो और ज़्यादा होते चले जा रहे थे। and nastier you can say very bad, unpleasant, and nastier by the day, दिन ब दिन उनकी संख्या बढ़ती जा रही थी और वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे थे। Now see the next one. It was a terrible time for the crocodiles. They couldn't understand what had happened to their happy forest home. Then one day a squeaky little voice piped up at one of their meetings. We know why the forest has gone crazy, don't we? It was a terrible time for the crocodiles. It was a very horrible, very terrible time for the crocodiles. क्रोकोडाइल्स के लिए ये बहुत ही दहशतनाक मौका था। एंड दे कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैड हैपेंड टू देयर हैप्पी फॉरेस्ट होम। दे वर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैड हैपेंड टू देयर हैप्पी फॉरेस्ट होम। उनके इस फॉरेस्ट होम को क्या हो गया वो नहीं समझ पा रहे थे। दे कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड, दे कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, वो नहीं समझ सके व्हाट हैड हैपेंड टू देयर फॉरेस्ट होम। Now see the next. Then one day a squeaky you can say high pitched, तेज आवाज। Then one day what happened? A squeaky little voice, a high pitched voice piped up. पाइप कहते हैं, पाइप आप जानते ही हैं। पाइप्ड अप, पाइप से कोई आवाज़ आती है तो थोड़ा श्रील के साथ आती है, तेज़ आती है। सो वॉइस पाइप्ड अप एट वन ऑफ देयर मीटिंग्स। देयर वाज अ श्रील, देयर वाज अ हाई पिच्ड वॉइस इन वन ऑफ द मीटिंग्स। एक मीटिंग में एक बहुत तेज कोई आवाज़ आई। व्हाट वाज दैट वॉइस? लेट अस सी। वी नो व्हाई द फॉरेस्ट हैज़ गॉन क्रेजी। दैट वॉइस टोल्ड, वी नो व्हाई द फॉरेस्ट हैज़ गॉन क्रेजी, व्हाई द फॉरेस्ट इज इन दिस डेंजर, वी नो द रीज़न। उस वॉइस ने, उस आवाज़ ने कहा, हम जानते हैं कि इस तरह की चीज़ें जंगल में क्यों हो रही हैं, क्यों जंगल क्रेजी हो गया है। Why the forest has gone crazy? Don't we? Don't we? Means we know. Here is the question tag. It means we know. We know why the condition of the forest is so bad. Now see the next one. Suddenly everyone was silent. They looked at Makara fearfully, but to their surprise he looked nervous. He shook a rat off his tail and asked them, the small crocodile, why, little fellow? It all began with the taunt. Suddenly everyone was silent. That voice was the voice of a small crocodile. And suddenly everyone was silent. Everyone that was present at that time in the meeting was silent. अचानक जो भी वहाँ पर मौजूद था वो खामोश हो गया। They looked at Makara fearfully. They looked at Makara fearfully. They looked towards Makara fearfully. They were afraid. They were frightened. वो डर गए थे, वो खौफज़दा हो गए थे। वो उन्होंने मकारा की तरफ देखना शुरू किया। What Makara would do with that crocodile? But to their surprise, he looked nervous. But to their surprise, they surprised when they looked towards Makara. They surprised. जब उन्होंने मकारा की तरफ देखा तो हैरत में पड़ गए। Why? Makara, he looked nervous because Makara also looked so nervous. Makara was also nervous. Makara खुद nervous था। He shook a rat off his tail. He shook a rat off his tail. उसने अपनी पोंछ से एक रैट को जो है हटाया। He shook a rat off his tail and asked the small crocodile. And then he asked the small crocodile. और फिर उसने छोटे क्रोकोडाइल से पूछा, Why little fellow? Why? What is the reason? Why the forest is in bad condition? Little crocodile, little fellow, my little fellow, tell me what is the reason of it? क्यों ऐसा है बताओ. It all began with the thought. Thought means wrong. It all began with the thought, with the wrong things, with the wrong decisions that had been taken. ये सब उन डिसीजंस की वजह से हुआ, उन रॉन्ग डिसीजंस की वजह से हुआ जो लिए गए. It all began with the thought. Okay, okay, said Makara. There's no need to talk. There's no need to talk so much. Makara didn't want to admit he was wrong, but it didn't matter. All the crocodiles knew now that he was not all that strong or powerful. Always right. They sent urgent messages all over the place for the tortoises, snakes and the lizards to come back to Pambupatti. And what a great day it was when these creatures came back, family after family, with their little ones on their backs, struggling behind, shouting at their parents to wait for them. Okay, okay, said Makara. Makara said okay, okay. At that time, Makara was nervous. He hadn't power to say anything against that crocodile. So there's no need to talk so much. He told at that time there's no need to talk about so much about those things that had happened. जो हो गया उसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Makara didn't want to admit he was wrong. And why? Because he didn't want to admit, he didn't want to accept that he was wrong. वो ये accept नहीं कर सकता था कि वो wrong था. But it didn't matter. But it didn't matter. He was not going to accept his mistake. But it didn't matter. All the crocodiles knew that he was wrong. उसने एक्सेप्ट तो नहीं किया, लेकिन सभी क्रोकोडाइल को पता था कि वो रॉन्ग था. All the crocodiles knew now that he was not all that strong and powerful. Now all the crocodiles knew that now he is not all powerful and strong, so they could go against him. अब सभी क्रोकोडाइल को पता चल गया था कि अब वो उतना पावरफुल और जो है स्ट्रांग नहीं है. और ऑलवेज राइट, ही वुड ऑलवेज बी राइट मीन्स ही couldn't always be right. वो हमेशा सही नहीं हो सकता. They sent urgent messages all over the place for the tortoises, snakes and lizards to come back to Pambupatti. That's why the other crocodiles sent the messages to the lizards, to the snakes, to the tortoises to come back to Pambupatti, their home. And what a great day it was when these creatures came back. And what a great day it was. Means it was a great day for the crocodiles of Pambupatti when all the animals came back to the forest of Pambupatti. And what a great day it was when these creatures came back, family after family. They were family after family. They were returning back to Pambupatti with their little ones on their backs. Family after family coming back to Pambupatti with their little ones on their back or straggling behind. Straggling, you can say pushing behind, coming behind. Strangling, their backs are strangling behind, shouting at their parents to wait for them. And they were shouting for their parents. They were shouting, the ones who the babies who left behind, they shout for their parents to wait for them. वो बच्चे जो पीछे छूट जा रहे थे वो अपने पेरेंट्स को जो है आवाज़ लगाते थे कि वो उनका इंतज़ार करें, उनके लिए रुके. See the next one. In 2 months the forest was back to normal. The rats disappeared and the insects and the smell and the world finally went back to its familiar old self. In 2 months the forest was back to normal. In 2 months, when all the creatures came back to all the reptiles came back to the forest, all the things were normal. जब सभी जानवर, सभी reptiles वापस आ गए तो फिर जंगल नॉर्मल हो गया. The rats disappeared. The rat disappeared after some times. and the insects and the smell, and the insects and the smells, all things disappeared, and the forest was normal, and the world finally went back to its familiar old self, and the world of the forest of Pamupatti went back to its familiar self, went back to its normal position. Now it was as normal as it was in the past. Now see the next one. Well, Prem, said the old man, have you fallen asleep? Did my story send you off to dreamland? I shook my head. No, grandfather, I was just thinking, maybe it's time I went back to my own village because I have a story to tell them, but what if they don't listen to me? See this. Well, Prem, said the old man. Now the old man who is telling the story, he addressed to Prem and said, well, Prem, now Prem, well, have you fallen asleep? Have you fallen asleep? क्या तुम अब जो है सो चुके हो, सो रहे हो? Did my story send you off a dreamland? Did my story send you in a dreamland? क्या मेरी कहानी ने तुम्हें एक ख्वाबों की दुनिया में पहुंचा दिया है? Dreamland? I shook my head. No, grandfather, no. It means ख्वाबों की दुनिया में पहुंचा देना. क्या तुम सो रहे हो? I shook my head. I shook my head. मैंने अपने सर को हिलाया. No, grandfather, I was just thinking. I told the old man that, no, grandfather, I was only thinking. I was not sleeping. Maybe it's time I went back to my own village. It may be the time. It may be that I may return back to my village. Maybe it's time it may be the time of returning me to my village. यह हो सकता है कि मुझे अपने गांव वापस जाने का वक्त हो. I went back to my own village because I have a story to tell them. I went back to my own village and because I have a story to tell them, because there was a story with me to tell that story to my villagers, to tell them. But what if they don't listen to me? I told the grandfather, I told the old man that I may return back to my village. I have a story to tell them, but what if they don't listen to me? What will happen if they are not going to listen me? लेकिन तब क्या होगा अगर वो मेरी बात सुने ही न? Now see the last paragraph. We can only keep at it, my son, till these stories again and again to more and more people. Some of them may laugh at you, say your stories are not true, but they may remember them one day, understand that each of us has a place in this strange funny world of ours. We can only keep at it. We can only keep at it. We can only tell these things to the people. We can only tell the good things to the people. Keep at it, किसी चीज़ को जो है पर जो है जमे रहना. हम तो बस इस पर जमे रह सकते हैं. We can only keep at it, my son. Tell these stories again and again. You tell these stories again and again to more and more people. You tell this story again and again and to the more and more people. इस कहानी को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बार ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को सुनाते रहो. Some of them may laugh at you. If you will tell this story, if you would tell this story, then some of them would laugh at you. तब उनमें से कुछ तुम पर हंसेंगे. At you, or say your stories are not true, and some of them would say that your story was not true, and some of them will say that your story is not true. और उनमें से कुछ कहेंगे कि तुम्हारी स्टोरी सही नहीं है. But they may remember them one day. But they may remember them your stories one day. But they must remember your stories. लेकिन वो तुम्हारी they must remember your story. वो तुम्हारी कहानी को ज़रूर याद रखेंगे. Understand that each of us has a place in this strange funny world of ours, and they will understand that each of us has a place in this world. Each of us has a place. Each of us has his own place, and no other person can do the work of that place, of that person. A place in this strange funny world of ours. This is our funny world of ours. This is a strange and funny world, and in this strange and funny world of ours, everybody has his or her own place. हर किसी का अपना एक स्थान होता है, एंड नो अदर पर्सन कैन फुलफिल दैट प्लेस, और कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति उस प्लेस को फुलफिल नहीं कर सकता. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ what happened with the reptiles. So my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.